In this video, you'll learn how to set up a subdomain on Namecheap. We'll go through the process step by step, so even if you're new to DNS settings, you'll be able to follow along and get everything working correctly. First, you'll need to be logged in to your Namecheap account. Once you're in, head over to your Namecheap dashboard. This is the main area where you can see all the domains you own and manage their settings. From here, look for the section called Domain List. This is where all your registered domains are displayed in a simple list, so you can easily find the one you want to work with. Find the domain you want to add a subdomain to, then click the Manage button next to it. This will open up a detailed settings page for that specific domain. At the top, you'll see several tabs. The one you're interested in is called Advanced DNS. Go ahead and select the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap lets you control more technical settings, like DNS records, which is exactly what you need for creating a subdomain. Once you're on the Advanced DNS page, scroll until you see an option to add a new record. Click the button labeled Add New Record. You'll see a drop-down menu with different record types. From that list, choose CNAME. A CNAME record lets you point a subdomain like blog or shop to another address, often another hostname. It's commonly used when your main site is hosted one place, but your subdomain is hosted somewhere else, such as a blog platform or an online store provider. After choosing CNAME, you'll see a new row where you can fill in several fields. Start with the field labeled host. Here you only want to enter the prefix of your subdomain, not the full domain name. For example, if you want to create blog.yourdomain.com, you only type blog in the host field. You do not include the rest of the domain like .yourdomain.com because Namecheap automatically adds that part for you. Keeping this in mind helps avoid common mistakes that can cause your subdomain not to work. Next is the value field. This is where you enter the destination that your subdomain should point to. Depending on your setup, this might be a host name provided by your hosting company or a service you're using. Make sure you copy this value exactly as it's given to you without extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small typo can prevent your subdomain from resolving correctly. Once you've entered the host and the value, look for the green checkmark icon on the right side of the row. Click that green checkmark to save your new name record. If you forget to click it, your changes won't be applied, so this step is important. After saving, your new subdomain record should appear in the list of DNS records for your domain. Keep in mind that DNS changes don't always take effect instantly. It can take anywhere from a few minutes up to a couple of hours for the new subdomain to start working across all networks. And that's it. You've added a subdomain to your domain using Namecheap's advanced DNS settings by creating a SNAME record with the correct host prefix and destination value and saving it properly.